I want to cover a unique group of products designed to clean and maintain electrical connections, especially those found on heavy-duty vehicles, trucks, trailers, and automobiles. Tifco terminal cleaners. Corrosion on vehicular contacts is an important concern because they are constantly exposed to harsh road conditions, all environmental conditions, and even incredibly corrosive road salts. Also, the seasonal or intermittent use of some trailers means that these connectors can sit dormant and exposed for long periods of time. And corrosion on vehicular connections can lead to headlight, taillight, and safety light failures, as well as any electrical failures. These failures are not only a major safety issue, but can also lead to citations. Tifco's electrical terminal cleaning tools are engineered to quickly and thoroughly remove corrosion better than any other tools available, because they are specially designed and sized to fit perfectly with different connection types. No more using screwdrivers and knives. I'm not going to go through each tool individually, but I want to give you an idea of how everything works. This green handle tool works with 7-way spade connectors, and the red and blue tools serve as 6-way round pins. This blue tool works on 4 and 5-pin connectors. To use, simply take the correct cleaner and insert it into the connector. The collar type end slides over the male side, while the knurled tips clean female connectors. With spade connections, this file end fits inside, and these U-shaped jaws clean the male side. Tifco's terminal cleaner sets will help keep your trailer functioning and prevent wasted time chasing electrical problems.